Hey guys, it's Blayde again from Car Audio Security, and we're here today at Players Classic 2026. We've been coming to this show for many years. It's always a great show, but today the weather is a bit pants. We've managed to find a break in the weather, so we're going to have a look around. But we are here today with Airlift Performance and Slam Sanctuary. We've got a few cars on the stand. Let's take a walk around as we normally do, have a look at some cars and meet some people. Spotted some very Car Audio Security related vehicles. White E30 M3 on Automotives and a blue 964 on BBSs. Very nice combination of cars. Let's go and have a look. Very clean as well. You can always tell when a car is cleaned properly. Beads hanging off of it, similar to the ones that we've got on the Renault 5 Turbo, the Renault 5e that is. I'd assume it's on coilovers. This 964 as well. Look at the interior on this. Retrimmed interior, looks OEM as possible. Blaupunkt head unit, lovely car, very clean. I don't see many in that blue colour. I would assume that it's been resprayed. Gorgeous. Let's go and have a look some more. One 2.4 is pretty cool. I don't know my Mercedes colours, even if this is a Mercedes OEM colour, but it is like a reddy, pinky, amber kind of colour. Interior is mint, Airlift Performance. Got Pioneer stereo in there as well, and Nardi steering wheel. Big dish. Front and back, is it? Welded a plate on there and put crowns on. Do like a crown. Hello. It's a good D-series, isn't it? Not a big fan on the wheels, but the rest of the build's pretty cool. And pretty unique as a D-series, so most people will swap the B-series into this. A see-through dizzy cap. Even the interior is really clean as well. So it's stripped out, all painted on the underneath. Carbon fuel pump cover. It's got the Recaro red seats and a billet gear shifter. That's pretty cool. Now this is something you don't see every day. This guy's got some cojones. A bagged brand new Aston. That is serious. Bagged on some splits. Chaos. This is pretty cool. What's with the rusty exhaust tips though? This car's got to be like 100 grand and it's got rusty exhaust tips. Looks otherwise stock, probably a carbon kit, as in splitters and skirts and stuff, but the fact that it's bagged on splits, pretty cool. Something about us. Ground Zero van, and I think this has got the Germinator, I think it's called. Yeah. That's a big old sub. I think from memory that's a 33-inch subwoofer. Obviously reverse mounted into like a fourth order box, so this bottom end of the box will be sealed. And there's a big open port going into the cabin that side, but that's a serious sub. I think there's like maybe a handful of these subs in the country. Everything else is Ground Zero, nice neat cabling, lithium bank most likely at the back there. All the amps running the speakers, and one big boy amp in the middle there. Have a look at that. I thought my Vibe amp was big. This is serious. I don't actually think that amp's connected from what I've seen. I think it's a showpiece. So I don't know what amp's actually running the sub, but got an interesting mixture of stuff here. 6x9s, 6.5s, horns, and then a 33-inch sub in the back, just to be safe. This NSX looks so mean. Raj really needs to get one of these, especially the ones with the pop-up lights. Again, bagged, it's laying on the floor. Strom wheels. I'm never a fan of black wheels, but it really worked on this. Full black on black setup with the red seats. Yeah. Yes, please. Mark IV Fiesta. Mark IV, Mark V, I always get confused between them. But this is like, beefy. Oh, it's left hooker. Left-hand drive. Damn. Old school boot build. Old school, new school-ish. That's clean. TSWX 10 LPA. It's like one of them tube subs. He's got 2 of them in there. And then 2 10s, ground zero, and then 2 5 1/4s. Instead of a normal parcel shelf, he's gone for plexiglass shelf. I do love a Stagia, especially when it's in the essentially Bayside blue colour. R34 Estate essentially, but just, I think it's cooler than R34. A lot rarer, that's for sure. Got little carbon canards everywhere, forged carbon stuff. Still got the roof bars as well, which I like. And still got the original front end and not done the R34 swap that everyone else does. This is sick. It's a Subaru SVX. You're never seeing one of these in the UK. This is like super, super rare. It's got like the McLaren style windows, bagged. It's such a cool looking car, man. Paintwork is mint as well, but it is a right-hand drive UK car, obviously imported. Oh, just another V8 BRZ.
Yeah.
LS.
This one's stroked down to 6.8 litres.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Well, basically I got it running and then I blew it up.
You blew up an LS?
Yeah. Bought it like set on scene. Like, I didn't know what it came out of, any history on it.
Right.
So I did a little like rebuild of it myself, just like piston rings, rod bearings, like that.
Is it like kind of coupled to the original gearbox, or is it?
No, it's literally, so it's a T56 Magnum, so it's like what you get like a modern Mustang and Camaro and shit like that.
Oh, it's like a 5-speed normal.
6-speed, yeah.
Oh, it's 6.
Yeah,
All
it's
right.
6 and it takes like 700 foot-pounds of torque, so it's like
Oh, shit.
all the power in the world, you know.
How much power is it running?
500 to the wheels.
The bed. Yeah, I bet that's fun.
Yeah.
Retreat! Retreat! We've ended up back in the tent for a minute because the rain started again. Such a shame with the weather this year, but if the rain stops again, we'll carry on looking. All right, so we're gonna head over to the Kenwood paddock, because the rain has just stopped all of a sudden. I'm gonna have a look at this Golf because I've been told that the owner's redone the interior and they've got a new head unit, so let's have a look. That is a tight fit. Ceramics, yeah? Even on the back, look how tight that is. Very clean build. Suede carpet setup, carbon tank, DMX 80 AXS, the new Kenwood head unit, custom fit fascia, so you can actually fit a 9-inch in that car, completely flush, and then they've carbon skinned the fascia that we provide. So we actually do this kit in-house, in stock, but if you want it carbon, you'll have to get that done yourself. That is ridiculous. this Mark 1 is sick. So, wide-bodied Mark 1, it's got a wicked livery on it. It's a Wrigley's one, the extra gum. But this is not a wrap, and they're not stickers, this is painted on. This is hand painted on. Have a look around the car, even these little bits, it's painted on. Then the interior, I can tell this has been done by Hawks. Some of the best interiors. So cool, even it carries the Wrigley's theme onto the dashboard there. And again, it's got the DMX ATXS head unit. I don't think anyone else has got a 9-inch screen looking like that in a Mark 1 Golf. Guys, that's been Players Classic 2026. As you can probably hear and see, it is super windy, raining, the weather is miserable, but it has been a great show. We are back here tomorrow, but I'll see you guys again in the next video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.